When our people emancipate themselves from this religious madness, omo they don't go still gather. One person go carry 6 children line up, they go church. What is the children praying for? Pray for your children. If you want to take the risk, leave them at home. Pray for your children if you reach house. If you reach church. Church go full. Children's session go full. They go take, give yourself offering. Give your children offering. They will later wreck the money and start using the money to host celebrities. No celebrity go talk on this matter. No. May they brand them Antichrist. Comedians are now performing jokes in church, making serious money. You expect them to talk for this kind of matter? How? How? Comedians now attend crusade to just make people laugh so the pastor can make money. Church is calm, 100%. I discovered that 6 years ago, and I still thank God for the day when I realized a church that's calm. When I went put in a church, a pastor for head, how many of them did successful reach me? How many of them? I'm 100% legit. I don't take what does not belong to me. I don't take what does not belong to me. I don't cheat my clients. I don't cheat to pay bills. Most of them, when they go to church, they say that they're successful. 99% of you guys are thieves. You steal in government accounts. You steal in your place of work. You do prostitution. You do nonsense things to make money. And at the end of the day, you give the pastor the glory. You cheat to buy beds. You cheat, you steal, you loot or different things. And you say God is blessing you. I keep telling people there is no God. I am a politician. There is no God in politics. Don't tell me to go and pray. Politics is a game. It's a game. Don't tell me that God made this person win. It's a lie. It's a game. If you are, it's like a chess game. If you understand the game, you will win. If you have the resources to buy people over to yourself, you will win. If you have the money to buy votes, you will win. If you have the money to pay for propaganda, to put adverts everywhere, you will win. If your opponent has someone that is very strong, you can pay that person to leave your opponent and join you. There is no God in politics. I don't pray. Sometimes you see some politicians will gather people. They'll say, I'm a man of God. I'm here to pray for. If you see those pastors, they are political pastors and they are criminals. Look at what comedian pastor they take glory, say that he pray and make Obaseki win. There is no God in politics because the game is dirty, and the dirtiness not gonna make clean people like us. Don't say we not gonna play them again. I keep telling people, let everybody join politics. With time, we will weed out the dirty ones from the system. Pastors, most of these pastors, they are using your money lavishly. Don't underrate that 1K, that 500, that 100 naira. Take 100 naira from 100,000 people. Do your calculation. Little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. Once they acquire this money, they start using the money to hire celebrities. They start using the money to pay bloggers. Once their popularity is dropping, they'll just do one generous thing. They'll look for one celebrity, dash a motto. Look for one sick celebrity, dash a money, all the blogs go carry on. It's a business, it's a game. All the blogs go carry on. So man of God from so place, give so person. So man of God from so place. All the blogs, newspaper, everybody go carry on. It's publicity, it's promo. It's a strategy to get you to come to the church. They will collect your 500. Now your children are no longer safe in church. There is no guarantee now that if you go to church, your children will follow you, come back. And now you are not allowed to question. Root number question, and they don't dive hard. They don't dive hard. Again, when they will drill and reach, and they'll say, will you mention the pastor's name again? She'll say no. Oh, yeah, go to the pastor's church. Go and kneel down. Press for carry. And once she go there, say, not with this pastor, she they talk. Now, legally, you can no longer sue that man. Pastors now get you arrested. They will arrest you. Get the law enforcement agencies, the ones who they do their bidding, not all. There are some that are very dubious. There are police officers that are praying to even have connections to some big pastors. I say, don't be that about when they talk, we will arrest them. Don't be that Pastor Cassie, we will arrest them. Don't be Matthias, we will arrest them. Make the money available. It's our job. But one day, your child will be intimidated. Your child will be bullied. When you gonna cry, people don't know why you they cry. You they remember the evil things we don't do. Karma! I respect karma. Karma get everybody address. Before you die, then you go pay for your sin. Oh. There is no hell. Don't tell me hell. Your head not correct. Say there's one heaven for those who get good mind, when they serve God. Heaven. Then there's one hell. There is no hell. The heaven is here and the hell is here. The hell is Africa. The hell is Nigeria, bastardized by religion and bad politicians. We're already facing torture in Nigeria. So which hell God I can go through else again? What enter heaven? Pursue everybody come up on the heaven enter. When they come from Nigeria, you say you want us to put up for hell again. Where will they see? Put the ones in America, better go feel hell because they have been in heaven. Put the ones in Canada, the ones in Australia, that they heaven on earth. So when they come from fire, you come to carry us again. Put for inside fire. We will destroy the air fire first. Enter heaven. Pursue everybody come on. All the angel Gabriel. They will take off. We'll take over heaven. It's kind of nonsense with that. I contribute this. I contribute this from fry pan to fire. They should stop deceiving you with kingdom, heaven. No, there's no heaven, there's no hell. Come on, sit down. A child will be born today that the parents not going to get the money to discharge the pikin from hospital. Sometimes the pikin are going to do 4 months. A child will be born today. Now when they want to go carry water where cow they drink, now then they go carry water when they want to bathe the pikin. A child will be born today. They'll say, if mama give her breast, if mama not gonna see food eat, not talk and say make the food come produce breast milk. There are children today less than 3 months that will not have food to eat. You see some women go they press bread like this. Nothing. Mama no eat. Where her breast want to come out. Mama no see good water drink. As she want to get healthy breast. See deformed children everywhere. That's why that's so happy. That is the true picture of hell on earth. Then the heaven on earth. Now the children when they born for abroad. You will see a nurse will deliver the baby, go they happy. I just delivered a bouncing baby girl. She's so cute. She's so cute. She looks so much like the father, like the mother. The nurse go they happy say they take delivery and they're successful. You'll see nurse go even buy gifts. There are nurses that have they get room for gifts. That anytime they want to deliver, they will put gift for that month when they want to give the baby. Then government will come give her social security number. Government will call it pay the mama, they call it pay the pikin. Government will send a free education, free, almost everything free till the child is 18 or reach or attain university level. You know, go back see for abroad, say they born pikin, they hold the mama, hold the pikin, say hospital bill. That is the heaven. That is the heaven. The government will sue, will jail the parents if your pikin no dey go school. But here in hell, which is Nigeria, the government will applaud you. They will even come and take tax from your pikin when you do the censorship water. Their tax agent will still give that your pikin tickets to pay to government account. That is heaven. Abroad, people are praying, make their wife taking the system. But hellfire here, if your wife taking, your BP will rise. You don't have to carry yourself now. Children you won't carry. People will blame poor people. Get to the bomb. Get to the bomb. So poor people don't go make love. Don't they feel cold for night? Don't they feel urge? Eh? No, don't they feel urge? Don't they feel urge? How many people go feel do family planning? Expensive one. How many? Best one of it pay. Best one they sell sachet water. They say they go do family planning. Or make they use condom. You get the money to do all those things. So people they go take injection. Maybe they not take it. Where those people forget this? Ow! If you call them, they born for them. So poor people say they will say, okay, the kid man will say, go remove and we don't already get 3 children. Sometimes before they even raise money for abortion, the kid don't grow for side belly. Doctor will say, if you abort the child is 50-50, I advise you to born the child. Doctor already collect 10,000 naira for consultation or 5K. So he himself not lost. Let's see what you fee for the hospital. You don't already pay. They go. That's a good doctor. Some doctor self when want money, maybe never pay staff. Or say when you pull your back for ground, go chuku you. Sometimes the pikin they'll succeed to bring out the drill the blood come out. The woman will give up. That is the hell. So please, no they listen to them. May I play the other video? Please share this video. If I am making sense, share. Because this, we need to. Guys, God, I traveled to one country one time. Every Sunday when they go to church, you go day up. They listen to good, they laugh us. Where are you going to, Nigeria, Africans? You love church too much. Today is Sunday. I'm resting. Tomorrow, I'm back to work. You don't have time to go sit for church for 6 hours. In Nigeria, if you're a church worker, you resume church 6 o'clock. Sometimes you go come up from church 3 o'clock. Sunday that you are supposed to rest. Thank God. Talk to your people. There is no prayer there. This a play yesterday. The woman was down near me. Play one take off. I saw she did kabash. As the play call experience some turbulence. I saw the woman. I want to do the woman like don't be the prayer star. You don't go relax. Now you pray after like you be almost tell, I wish the inside boss she for tell everybody now because the inside play. I wish the inside boss she for tell everybody may we close our eyes. Now the play the experience turbulence you they do. I said you don't be mother. I would call her back and say mother. God forbid I wish that plane crash. Don't be helpful you for go. She said yes. Then why you call the fear? Me when you go to say this one Antichrist, if they go ahead, me not the fear. What is wrong with us? What is wrong with our government? person go church without children. And from the information we don't gather, they don't say most of all these churches they get hotel. Now then they make their money. As they build massive auditorium finish, they will build hotel general. If you call and say you want to see pastor, they will tell you say you can't, pastor is busy. But if you lodge in the church hotel, anytime the pastor is free, we can easily just take you to pastor, to papa. Once you just lodge like this, you're supposed to stay maybe 24 hours. They'll come give you date. They'll say if you lodge there, they'll give you date to see papa. They will give you 2 weeks date. You don't log in, you don't log in. And they'll say you don't come out. You come inside the church, they make come with the same money meeting, and the church will be 5,000 naira for room and block. They get VIP. They get some apartments, some of the rooms where they pay in dollars. All those church where they get Oyibo, where they come where they don't deceive many Oyibo. They don't use many Oyibo to do fake testimony. So Oyibo will pack us on dollars for the currency. Now those ones the pastor they see before you can see una way be shon we pay 10,000 naira. Now my younger brother when the UK comment so he said I have not prayed since 2010. My younger brother when they studying in UK. You when they use the sweet church uzwa. You when they pastor they run errand when they do